Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with Bloom effect on iPhone iOS 18. So the new upgrade on the iMessage application allow users to now send message with different effects including Bloom. So here I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do now is you want to open the chat on iMessage you want to send a Bloom effect to. So just go ahead and send your message. So I'm going to say this is a Bloom effect. Then once you type the message, before you send the message, go ahead and highlight the part of the message you want to add the Bloom effect to. You can also highlight the entire message to add the Bloom effect. Once highlighted, come here and click on text effect. And if text effect is not fixable here, just swipe like this until you see text effect and then click on it. Once you selected text effect, then you're going to see Bloom. Locate the Bloom effect and then click on it. Now, once you selected that, click outside. If that is not blooming, then you need to try it again. You can see I have the Bloom effect added to the text already. Then go ahead and send it. Then the send text is going to be bloomed. Is that? So that is basically how to send message with Bloom effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.